welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my house. Like, at night, by the way. Okay, so this is like my garden slash, pretty area. There's some carrots, there's some daisies, flowers, and there's some sunflowers. Carrots, I love carrots. And here's the table where you can eat, and here's my car. And once you walk in my house, this is my house. I have a popcorn maker, an ice cream maker, a dishwasher. Don't ask why I don't have a sink in here. Please don't ask. Then here's this. I have a cappuccino maker. And then here's my fridge, my stove, and yeah. Here is my dining room. Then I'm gonna go upstairs. Oof. Turn this light on. Here's like a balcony. I love the balcony because it's really cute. I don't have a bathroom yet because I'm not fully done with the house, but like here is the kid room, like a twin room or something. Not twin room, but like kid room. And then over here I'm gonna make a library once I get more money. And then in here is my room. Oh, I love my room so much. Oh, of course I get stuck in the ceiling. I got stuck in the ceiling. Well, I was thinking of making a basement, but then no, that would be too much money. And then, no. I was going to say, where am I going? No. Too bright. Yeah, that's gonna have to do. Well, I'm gonna make some money. I'll see you guys once I'm done making some money. I'm just kidding, guys. So y'all are gonna watch me work for a while. I'm not going to speed it up, so y'all can actually see how long it takes me to freaking work for all of my freaking money. That's how much my house is. That's literally how much my house is. But do you think I have that much money? No, I don't. If I delete my car, it'd only be like $20,000. Ew, trash. Hey guys, did you know that when we like flush toilets, or like when we're throwing our trash away, trucks take them away and they put them into landfills. Landfills is a big trash pile, and when it rains, the things soak into the land, and then people build land on top of the garbage, and then the people are planting things when someone builds a house on top of the land that's on top of the garbage. People don't know that they're eating food poisoning from the garbage, the old food in their garden. So we need to be more careful with our movements, and we need to recycle. Don't throw away plastic, metal, batteries, because when you throw away batteries and they end up in landfills or rivers, and when they end up in rivers, you can't drink the river water because the water we're drinking, the water we drink, comes from rivers, but it might not be clean. because some countries don't have the building that cleans water. So people don't have clean water, so people can't survive without water.
Who are you talking to? Oh.
So, yeah. That's why we should stop polluting our world that we live in. Like every single body in this world is dying because they are the thieves. They are the thieves. Well, they're not technically thieves, but like they're stealing lives. They're stealing their own souls because they are throwing plastic away. They can't break down when it's in a landfill. That can never ever break down. It lives forever. It can break into like pieces, but it can't break down and go into the soil. Because when it goes into the soil, it like decomposes and poisons the soil. So like if you plant a garden there and you feed the crops to people or your family or yourself, you'll be poisoning yourself, or the people with trash will be poisoning you because it soaked down, it broke down into the soil, which causes it to poison the soil when you plant things on top of that, in that soil, / with that soil. Fertilizer, farmers are using that so their crops can grow even better. And when the fertilizer goes down into the soil, it's poisoning the ground. So like when you take the food out of the ground, they're eating poison. So, yeah. Be safe out there, guys. Yeah. Well, let's see how much money I've made. Actually, two pizzas. So yeah, guys, we need to stop polluting our world. Polluting means killing. It kills everyone in the world. More than 1.8 million people die each year from pollution. It's really bad, guys. Pollution is something that harms, kills anyone, including animals. More than 1.8 million animals are dying from it as well. More animals are going extinct. More animals are dying. More animals are suffocating. Even we're suffocating. We're going extinct. I'm just kidding. We don't go extinct. Because there's 7.8 billion people in this earth. There's still being more of us born right now at this very minute / second, or I don't know. But yeah, that's true, guys. It really happens. It's going on right now. Somebody is dying right now just from pollution. Because from the things that we throw away. This is not a history lesson at all. Totally not a history lesson. Totally not disguised as a history lesson. Alright, guys, so I'm done working. Alright. Plant has started withering, all of my carrots have started withering. So I'm going to go to my home on Bloxburg Acres. And I'm going to, what's it called? Feed my plants. I'm definitely not going to add fertilizer to it. Definitely not. Because that just kills it. Whee! that doesn't kill it. It helps it grow even more. And of course, I literally get stuck in my dang darn car. Whee! Oh my gosh. Okay, use. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Should I do? Okay. So now I can finally water my plant. Okay. So I'm going to walk inside my house. We're not going to walk inside it necessarily, but yeah. Girl, what you staring at? Them fake legs. Look at them fake legs. Man legs are way better. Okay, I'm gonna just go be a kid so I can be so freaking small. Okay, first I need to do the rooms. Ooh, my eyes. Why did I even put this on? What? Oh, yes. This one is nice. It's like this one, way better. You guys should always pick this wardrobe. Don't have enough money? Pick the $80 one. Don't have enough money? Don't pick any. See, look at that beautiful thing. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Oh, yeah. I don't even know why the outside of it is pink. It's so bright. And I don't really care. Because I might. Whee. Alright, guys. I'm an orangutan. Was it just dark outside? What the? Alright, let's go inside. I forgot to do my library. No one believes it's clear yet. Oh, my eyes. My head hurts so badly. Oh my god. I have a headache. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have a headache right now. I have a very big headache. Storage. Bookshelf. Book. In real life, I love reading books. You guys don't know how much I read books. In real life. I have all A's and B's in school. Yep, I can. I'm a straight A student. I can't believe that I am. Build doors. Where's that really expensive door? Here it is. What? Okay, so like nobody can see it now. Oh wow. Okay, guys, I have to hurry up because I can't record for any much longer. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Let me just color this one more thing on camera because I don't want to leave you guys. Smooth. Bye, guys.